Alright everyone, I've come to this slightly unpromising corner of Paris for a little bonus video because I've just discovered they've opened a new walkable section of the Petite Ceinture, Paris's old disused railway. And it's near enough where I live that I can get here on my daily government-permitted exercise. So while we're waiting a few more days before those restrictions end and I can finally go somewhere that isn't Paris, it seemed rude not to come here and have a quick look. The path starts round the back of Rosa Parks Station on Line E, at the former site of the junction where the Petite Ceinture met the busy main line coming out of the Gare de l'Est. The entrance gate is kind of hidden away at the side of the road and it's easy to miss, but I'm guessing at some point in the future they'll open up the tunnel here, which will allow people to walk through from the main square in front of the station. Anyway, from here the path slopes gently upwards until it reaches the height of the old tracks, so it's fully step-free and wheelchair accessible, although I should say only from this end at the moment. The newly opened section is a mere couple of 100 metres long, but it provides many spaces for local artists to express themselves. We then cross a bridge over the Rue de Cambrai before coming into the old disused station at Pont de Flandre. The platforms here might look like a bit of a mess, but it's a deliberate decision to let nature go wild in order to encourage biodiversity. The station was closed along with the rest of the line in 1934. It was converted firstly into a private residence and now into a jazz club and bar that's temporarily closed because of the pandemic, but will hopefully be opening again in January. And at the moment, that's as far as you can go. But from here, the abandoned tracks stretch onwards across the bridge towards the Canal de la Villette and the Parc des Buttes-Chaumont. And if they open up that section in the future, which it looks like they are planning to do eventually, it'll be a really nice walk. So I thoroughly recommend coming here in about 2025. By that point, the brand new replacement for the Petite Ceinture, the new circular Line 15 of the Paris Metro, will hopefully be open, at least partially. In fact, that's all part of a construction mega project where they're building 4 new metro lines under Paris and its suburbs. If you want to learn more about that, there's a great video about it that came out recently over on a channel some of you might know called the B1M, or if you speak French, it's also been covered in entertaining style by Le Ferrovipede. So that's all to look forward to. Until then, if you want to visit the Petite Ceinture, I'd recommend the longer sections in the south and southwest of the city that I covered in my last video. If you do happen to be in this area and you want to walk it, you can find it between Rosa Parks on Line E and Corentin-Carriou on Line 7. Meanwhile, thanks very much for watching. I'll hopefully be able to make a proper video in the next couple of weeks, so stay safe and I will see you soon.